Bhagirath's quest, bringing Ganges to earth. Bhagirath, a revered sage, is credited with the monumental task of bringing the Ganges to earth, and his depiction can be found beneath stone spouts across the Kathmandu Valley. The carved images of Bhagirath vary, portraying him in different positions, such as dancing or sitting, with the standing pose being prevalent in most spouts. According to mythology, King Sagar, a ruler of the Suryavamsi lineage in the Solar dynasty, served as an ancestor to Lord Ram. Bestowed with a blessing from goddess Saraswati for 60,000 sons, he decided to perform a Yashvamedha Yagya to assert his supremacy amongst Earth's ruler and enhance his kingdom. Central to this Yagya was Asva, symbolizing a horse. However, Lord Indra, harboring jealousy towards the king's power, stole the horse to prevent the completion of the sacrificial ceremony. Lord Indra left the horse at the ashram of meditating sage Kapil, leading King Sagar's sons to wrongly accuse the sage for theft. Enraged, the sons disrupted Kapil's meditation, earning themselves a curse that condemned them to be burnt to ashes, with their souls wandering as ghosts due to the incomplete final rites. Accusing sage Kapil of horse theft, the 60,000 sons insulted him, leading to their tragic demise in ashes. Various descendants of the Suryavamsi attempted to free these souls, but none succeeded until Bhagirath, from the same lineage, approached sage Kapil with remorse for his forefathers' sins. Kapil revealed that the souls could only attain moksha by pouring their ashes into the Ganges. The challenge lay in the fact that Ganges resided in Brahma's Kamandala. To bring Ganges to earth, Bhagirath had to please Lord Brahma. Bhagirath, initially a legendary king of Ikshvaku dynasty, the same dynasty as Lord Ram, turned sage after learning about the tragic fate of his forefathers. Upon discovering that his ancestors were born to ashes due to sage Kapil's curse, Bhagirath resolved to bring Ganges to earth. To accomplish this, Bhagirath undertook a rigorous penance in the Himalayas, driven by the desire to provide nirvana to his ancestor through the sacred river Ganges. Goddess Ganges informed Bhagirath that her descent to earth directly would be catastrophic, destroying the entire planet. She suggested seeking Lord Shiva's help, as only he could control her force. Bhagirath underwent severe penance to please Shiva, who, favoring the welfare of mankind, agreed to the plan. Shiva allowed Ganges to descend from the sky, containing her force in the locks of his matted hair, and gently release her in small streams upon earth. According to mythology, the Ganges descended from the sky, and its powerful waves needed to be managed. To support the weight of the long heavy mouths of the stone spouts through which the Ganges flows, a stone base representing Bhagirath is said to have been installed beneath the conduit. The stone spouts, known as Hitis in Kathmandu Valley, share a profound connection with Bhagirath. These spouts are believed to have originated during the Lichivi era, with influences possibly stemming from Prasannadev, who came from Bengal, or traders passing through Nepal Mandal en route to Tibet. In the medieval period, 879 to 1769, it was customary practice to include an image of Prince Bhagirath beneath the spout of fountains. According to the legend associated with him, Prince Bhagirath played a pivotal role in bringing the celestial Ganges river down to earth when a severe drought had caused all the water, including that in the oceans, to dry up. A stone statue of the prince is typically situated on the wall immediately below the spout. In this depiction, Prince Bhagirath is portrayed holding a lotus with his right hand while blowing a conch shell to announce the joyous arrival of the life-giving rain river. The connection between Bhagirath's story and Nepalese fountain, however, does not seem to be ancient enough to be considered original. During the ancient period of Nepalese history, approximately 200 to 879, stone reliefs featuring one or pair of earth spirit yaksha figures were commonly found in the same location below the spout where Bhagirath is depicted in later examples. These yakshas were believed to reside beneath the earth and support it, with their representation associated with the legend of disappearance of the Saraswati River in the northwest India. During the Vedic period, 1500 to 600 BCE, the Saraswati River was still flowing but dwindling, eventually vanishing at a place called Vinasa, meaning disappearance. People believed that the river had emptied into the netherworld. The yakshas below the spout likely symbolized the Saraswati River rather than the Ganges, providing a link to the ancient legend of the Saraswati's disappearance. This representation is commonly observed beneath Hiti, traditional water conducts in the Kathmandu Valley. As per Hindu Purans and the epic Mahabharata, King Bhagirath played a crucial role in bringing the Ganges River from heaven. Significantly, a carving of Bhagirath is often placed either directly beneath the water spout or in close proximity to the dhara or water spout, emphasizing his connection with the river Ganges. Including his relief in this location serves as a symbolic affirmation that the water flowing from the spout is indeed analogous to the waters originating from the source of the river Ganges, known as Gomukha or cow's mouth in the Himalayas. The narrative of Mahabharata and Ganges intertwines with the tales of King Bhagirath and the sacred stone of a particular location. When King Bhagirath journeyed to Kailas and beseeched Lord Mahadev to undertake penance to save his ancestor, Mahadev released the Ganges from his head. The water cascaded down in the form of waterfall, and wherever it flowed, it became venerated as the Ganges. Thank you.